Hello friends, today I will present a topic Mersenne prime. My name is Rabia Kushi and roll number 13. Mersenne prime 2 raised to n minus 1. This is index. What is prime? Prime numbers. A prime number can be divided exactly only by 1 or itself and it must be a whole number greater than 1. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. There are many types of prime. Here some example of them. Types form an example of prime numbers. Mersenne prime, which is form 2 raised to n minus 1, an example of them is 3, 7, 31. 51st Mersenne prime found. 51st Mersenne prime discovered. The new number is M8 subscript 825899933 or 2 raised to 825899933 minus 1. Mersenne prime are named from the digit to which 2 is raised. Therefore, recently discovered number is M subscript 825899933 because 2 is raised to the power of 825899933. This newest number of Mersenne prime was generated on December 7, 2018. It was found via a computer volunteered by Patrick Lohrich of the Great Internet Mersenne prime search in 2018. But wait, what is Mersenne prime? Let's turn back time. All about Father Mersenne, a 17th century French mathematician and physicist known as an effective clearinghouse of scientific information. He conjugated that MP of MP is equal to 2 raised to p minus 1 was prime for p is equal to 2, 3 and 5, 7, 13, 17, 19, 31, 67, 257 and 127 and composite for all p less equal to 157. This was subjected to challengers. Despite the intensive scrutiny on the above conjugate, his name was still attributed to Mersenne primes. Definition of Mersenne prime. Mersenne prime is that they are the prime numbers of the form mp is equal to 2 raised to p minus 1 for some prime p. Error corrected. In 1947, Mersenne's range P less equal to 256 has been completely checked and it was determined that correct list is P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 17, 19, 31, 61, 89, 100 and 0 and 127. Now here let P is equal to 2, then MP is equal to 2 raised to 2 minus 1 which is equal to 4 minus 1 which is equal to 3. So other example are here. If we take m is equal p is equal to 3, then mp is equal to 7. If we take p is equal to 5, then mp is 31. Perfect number and Mersenne prime are relatively related. Perfect number, a positive integer n is said to be perfect if n is equal to its sum of all the positive divisor not including n itself. Theorems, if 2 raised to k minus 1 is prime, then n is equal to 2 raised to k minus 1 into 2 raised to k minus 1 is perfect. Test for Mersenne prime. Lucas-Lehmer primality test. In mathematics, the Lucas-Lehmer test is primality test for Mersenne numbers. The test was originally developed by Edward Lucas in 1856 and subsequently improved by Lucas in 1878 and Dietrich Henry Lehmer in 1930s. Second test for the Mersenne prime. Great Internet Mersenne prime search. For almost 25 years, GIMPS has looked for a new Mersenne prime by running a primality test on the one computer and later running the exact same primality test on another computer to guard against hardware errors having corrupted the first primality test. Mersenne prime in nature and elsewhere. In the mathematical problem Tower of Hanoi, solving a problem with an n-disk tower requires immense steps. Assuming no mistakes are made, the number of rice grain on the whole chessboard in the wheat and chessboard problem is M64. Awards, EFF Cooperative Computing Awards, the Electronic Frontier Foundation, the first civil liberties group dedicated to protecting the health and growth of the internet, is sponsoring cooperative computing awards with over $500,000 in prize money to encourage ordinary internet users to contribute to solving huge scientific problems. Awards and prize money are here. In two awards are already given a person in groups, and two are here. Unsolved problem of Mersenne prime. Is there an odd perfect number? Second, are there infinitely many Mersenne prime? Third, are there infinitely many Mersenne composites? Fourth, is every Mersenne number 2 raised to p minus 1 is square free? Fifth, are there more double Mersenne primes? Uses of Mersenne prime. Prime number used in cryptography algorithm PKE, PKI, Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Almost all of new methods of cryptography depend heavily on prime numbers. Every time you use your credit card on the internet, your account is kept secret from hackers thanks to the power of prime numbers. Each e-business chooses two big primes P and Q, which they keep secret. The product of these numbers n is equal to P into Q is made public. A calculation using n encrypts your credit card, but the only way undo the calculation and decrypt the secret message is to know the secret prime P and Q. Cracking the code is the same as cracking the public numbers n into its prime building blocks. Thank you.